Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Wafi and today I'm playing Minecraft to show you guys how you make a redstone clock. Now before I do that, I want all of you guys to like this video. Please, let's get to 5 likes in the first week. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do is put 2 redstone repeaters in the opposite direction, close to each other like this. One here, one close to it, but in the opposite direction. Now what you want to do is connect these repeaters using redstone, and you have to adjust the signal timing to as slow as you can, then put a lever, then turn it on, turn it off. You have to do then there you go. This is our very easy redstone repeater in Minecraft. Okay guys. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.